Hi, my name is John. What's your name?
Hi, John, I'm Alice. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Alice. Where are you from?
I'm from France. And you?
I'm from the United States. Are you here for work or study?
I'm here for my studies. I'm studying English. How about you?
I work here. I've been living in this city for 5 years. How do you like it here so far?
I really like it. The people are friendly, and there are so many things to do. How about you? Do you enjoy living here?
Yes, I do. There are great restaurants and parks. What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books and exploring new places. What about you?
I like playing sports, especially soccer, and I love cooking. Have you tried any local food here?
Yes, I tried some local dishes, and they were delicious. Do you have any recommendations?
Definitely. You should try the local seafood. There's a great restaurant near the beach. I can show you if you'd like.
That sounds wonderful. I'd love that. Thank you, John.
You're welcome, Alice. It was great meeting you. Let's exchange numbers and stay in touch.
Great idea. Here's my number. Talk to you soon.